Here we are again. Happy Monday, everyone. I hope everyone have a great weekend. So today is time to start the day. We start with this job in Southington today. Guys already stripped. Plywood doesn't look as bad. We may just have to replace the electrical flamenco band right there because it's broken. It's made of plastic, not a big deal. Guys are working in the garage, in the lower section. So this is how it goes every day. Oh, look at that, 2 layers down there. And this home is gonna get installed Owens Corning duration shingles. So if you guys need any repairs, give us a call. LA Roofing. We serve all of Connecticut and Western Massachusetts. Chimney is gonna get reflush. It's gonna get new gutters. All right, see you in the next one.